there is no breakthrough without a breakdown. So talking about breakthrough, breakthrough is very important for your business. Breakthrough means you do something that you think you must do, and yet you don't dare to do. That is called breakthrough. Talking about this, right, take for example, if I'm not a salesperson, I don't want to do sales, I don't like to do sales, then I go and do sales. Is that a breakthrough? That is a breakthrough. Today my company is a traditional business, I want to switch it to non-traditional, want to switch it to digital. Is it a breakthrough? It is a breakthrough. So breakthrough itself, right, is very important for business. Maybe I can share a little bit more about myself.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
As you all know, I come from a publishing background. So what do I do in the past? I sell advertisement for magazine. So is that a traditional business? Yes, it is in today's context. Because not much people are reading magazine right now. So that time, right, I was even the top salesman for a period of time. Let me see, around 36 months altogether consecutively. But then I realized that the world is changing. I have to break through. So that time I decided to leave my publishing industry. When I started out my business, which is Renopedia, as you all know, right, but I lack a few things, like I lack creative knowledge, copywriting knowledge,
a few inches later,
marketing knowledge. So I start to learn, I start to break through. But why I am able to break through at that moment of time, I have no choice. So no choice is the best choice. Take for example, there is a competition. The river, there's a lot of shark. If you can swim across the shore, right, there will be a $1 million prize. So at that moment of time, wow, there's a lot of people start to crowd around. But nobody dare to jump inside the river. Why? Dangerous, got shark. Suddenly, then they look into the river, right? There is a person swimming very fast. Then a lot of sharks are chasing him. Then after that, he swim, and finally he reached the shore and get out of the shore. The moment he get out of the shore, a lot of people go towards him, congrats him. Wow, congrats, you got the $1 million, congrats. Then there is one reporter start to interview him. Hey, I want to know what's your secret and what gives you the courage. At the moment of time, he's still panting. I tell you all, I want to know who pushed me down the river. Moral of the story is, sometimes, right, breakthrough is being forced. Forced by what? Forced by circumstance. So I myself, right, at the moment of time, I am being forced to break through. But during this period of time, I realized breakthrough is getting more and more harder for me and for a lot of business owners, because you all already have business, so you all have nothing to lose. So you all have a lot of choices. That's why when you have a lot of choice, right, it starts to make you feel that, how am I going to break through? But then what I always tell myself is, just do it. As a company director, right, I have to move forward in order to bring my team forward. So last time people tell me, if you want to go Malaysia, you drive car go lor. If car cannot, what you do? You take train lor. If train cannot, take aeroplane. As long as you know where is your goal, just move towards your goal. But don't quote my word, now COVID, don't anyhow go Malaysia just because I say go Malaysia. Don't okay? So breakthrough is a very important part of your business. I want to share an example of recently what a lot of businesses do during this COVID period. Like there was fitness company. So this fitness company, real life story, they are always holding classes for people. Then because of this COVID, right, there's this rule and regulation, cannot hold a class more than 10. Is their business affected? Yes, their business is being affected. So what they do is, during this period of time, instead of holding classes, they change it to a Zoom fitness training, and they give people free of charge. So during this period of time, the business owner, right, decided to change his mindset. Instead of doing sales, what I do is I build a list of customers and give them what? Free online training. So these people, right, they will sign out using their name, email address, and contact number. After the COVID is over, he can start to do sales. Not just email them, WhatsApp them, ask them to attend his class. He have this list, he can also do things like sell them supplement. So this is an example of breakthrough. So if you are a business owner like me, you should look into breaking through. Even though you are not a business owner, you can look into breakthrough in your life during this period of time. If you like this video, you and me, we can break through together during this period of time. So like, share and comment if you like my video. I see you at the next video.